not. Are you worried about AI taking your job? It feels like every day there's a new robot or a new program that can do what humans do, but faster and better. It's a scary thought, right? But hold on, don't panic just yet. Have you heard of tools like ChatGPT, MidJourney, or even AutoGPT? They're total game changers, automating tasks that, not long ago, were done exclusively by people like you and me. Now, I'm not trying to scare you, but we need to talk about what this means for our careers. Reports are flying around suggesting millions of jobs worldwide are at risk. And get this, a big shot bank, Goldman Sachs, estimates that over 300 million jobs could be impacted by AI and automation by the end of this decade. That's a massive number, right? But here's the thing, instead of worrying, we need to get smart about it. Here's the hidden truth most people don't realize. AI doesn't replace humans, it replaces tasks. Think about it. AI is a rock star at handling the boring stuff, the repetitive rule-based or predictable work that drains your energy. But what about creativity, complex problem-solving, emotional intelligence, or making tough judgment calls? That's where we as humans shine. Those are our superpowers. Even in fields like finance, marketing, or media, where AI is making huge waves, it's acting as a powerful assistant, not the boss, it's a tool. The real game changer isn't the AI itself, but the people who learn how to use it. By embracing AI, you don't become obsolete. You become more valuable and efficient than ever before. It's not about being replaced, it's about getting an upgrade. The real danger is not that AI will steal your job, it's that someone who knows how to use AI will outperform you. AI is amplifying skill gaps. Those who learn to integrate AI into their work will rise, while those who ignore it may fall behind. So, the future isn't about fighting AI, it's about upgrading yourself and learning to work alongside it. And this is happening right now in offices, startups, and even creative industries across the world. The race has already begun. Are you prepared to level up? By 2030, almost every job will require humans and AI working together. From teachers to engineers, marketers to designers, the key skill will be how efficiently you can use AI tools. In short, AI won't replace you, someone using AI might. The hidden truth is simple. Your value won't disappear, it will evolve. The smarter you adapt, the safer your future becomes. Think about it. This isn't about becoming obsolete. It's about upgrading your skill set. The future belongs to those who can partner with technology, not run from it. Start learning, start experimenting, and position yourself as the person who knows how to leverage these incredible tools. Don't get left behind. Adapt, learn, and secure your future. If you want to understand the future of work, AI trends, and business secrets, subscribe to MindVerse, where we simplify the future one idea at a time. And remember, the future belongs to those who adapt and evolve, not those who fear.